Hey, what's going on, guys? Komeki here. I found this amazing black and white images that I'm gonna be using to make some whiteboard animations using Python and OpenCV. But the problem is that I don't really want to download them one by one, and instead I want to go for a bulk downloading. So in this video, we'll write a Python script that allows us to download many images from Pinterest in one run. So if you're interested, without further ado, let's actually jump in. Okay, so one of the issues is that Pinterest is the site that doesn't really welcome you if you want to web scrape it. So we'll go for a bit of a hack to snapshot the HTML of containing the links to all the pins. Then we'll loop over all the pins, and for every pin we'll extract the link for image, and then we'll store it locally. So in order to make this sort of a snapshot of the HTML, by saying snapshot, I mean we want to get the HTML code already containing the fetch data, no matter if it goes from infinite scroll, like from Ajax calls or JavaScript or wherever, because I need only a certain amount of images, and instead of dealing with the complicated APIs of Pinterest itself and hacking around their anti-scraping measures, it's way easier just to grab the eventual HTML and then extract links, and then we're done. So once I've written a Chrome extension that is called WebGrabber, serving this exact purpose of grabbing the already rendered, eventually rendered HTML document that we have in the browser. So you can download zip. I'll git clone it now because it's better to do on Linux like this, but it should be working on whatever operating system as well. So here is the source code for the extension that I've written. Now I need to go to my Chrome browser and go into more tools, extensions, load unpacked, and I'm using the source from the WebGrabber and open it, and now the extension is active. Here it is. So now in order to use it properly, so here is the trick. I just minimize the screen as much as I can, so all the pictures I eventually need would fit the single page, and then I just make use of the extension. So just wait a little bit until it fetches all the images. Okay, I only need the black and white ones, but the matter of filtering, I will leave leave it for now. Well, maybe I'm not sure exactly how am I gonna be doing this, but anyway, I just need this black and white images, so this is literally enough. Okay, okay, perfect. So let's enable the WebGrabber now, and it should now grab this kind of already rendered HTML. By the way, if you have a look at the source code by just clicking like view page source, you won't see the links to the images here. You can try this at home on your own. So yeah, running one more time. Okay, and I just copy this to clipboard, and now let's create a new folder. Let's call it Chinese Gods. And here, new document, let's call it images.html. Okay, so I just want to open with a text editor, right, and paste the code in. It's kind of big, so it takes time, but it's okay. Okay, save. Okay, nice. So the next thing, I want to create, let's call it download.py. Okay, I can open this document now to see what we actually have. And now if we have a look at the source, and also just to give an idea of what kind of link we have, let's open a new tab. It won't load, but oh, it even does load. No, it's not exactly what I wanted to have. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, sorry, it's a little bit laggy. It's a little bit laggy. Yeah. So I just want to find the appropriate CSS selector. Okay, and the image should be, hold on, okay, let's just try one by one. Now this is the little image. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one, I like this one much more. So it was right over in here. Is it? Oh, it's within the source set. What about still the little one? Well, actually, I can extract them from the source set as well. Oh, hold on a sec. I don't actually, hold on, I don't even need to crawl through the pins. I can actually go for links directly. Yeah, it's even easier. I believe this is even easier. Yeah, this is good. This is just awesome. So we have the direct links to the images without even a need to go for the corresponding pin. Yeah, this is great. So this sort of a source set, and this should be the class we want to work with. So we'll use it just a bit later on. Okay, so let's go to download.py. So let's say script to bulk download images from Pinterest. Okay. Just make a bit of a header, a little header here. Okay. I know, guys, you will ask me for a source code, so let me make the source code look like as if it was real, right? Okay. So let's go the simple way. I don't want to get bothered with Scrapy, because if you just want to download images, you don't really need Scrapy for that purposes. So we'll be sticking to requests and beautiful soups. So I can say import requests, and from BS4 import beautiful soup. Well, we don't actually need, no, we do need a request to fetch the bytes from the images. Okay, so let's open local HTML file with images, with image links. So let's say HTML equals to, well, we can do it even better, like with open images.html as file. HTML equals to f.read, and let's print what we have in our HTML. Okay, so opening the terminal in the current working directory by typing python3 download.py. I hope to see the content. Okay, content is here, good. So the next thing, we want to parse HTML content. So content equals to beautiful soup and HTML as an input, and I want to use LXML parser. So if you don't have this, you need to say pip install LXML and pip install BS4, and also pip install requests. That's just if you don't have this libraries being installed. Should I demonstrate you this? I'm on Linux, so I can just quickly demonstrate you this. So pip install requests. I already have this libraries installed, obviously. So you see, like, requirement is satisfied. On Windows, it should be enough just to say pip install without sudo, without specifying the version of pip, if you have the only pip and Python been installed. Then the same for BS4, and I also have this, obviously, and also you'll need LXML. So that's kind of it. So again, like on Windows, most likely you'll need to run something like this, but it won't work in my system, obviously. Okay, guys, I hope it's clear. So now we have the content, and now we want to extract image links. So let's say image links equals to content dot find all, right? Find all. So we are looking for is this? Yeah, it's a class. I'm just wondering, or is it an image? Oh no, hold on a sec. This is it. So here we go. Yeah, so this should be image. Doesn't it have? I just don't see. Okay, probably. I think it's more safe to extract. Well, we can go for just try to extract all the images first. Okay. Yeah. What have I done? Sorry. It would just take all the images that we have. So it's not exactly what I wanted to have. So let's go for, let's first extract the pins. So give it away for a while. Okay, so extract pins. So pins equals to content find all. It's just a bit more safe way of doing things. And class equals to, and now I just grab all these classes here. Okay, let's print the pins. Okay, and then to extract the images we need to loop over the pins. So let's say for pin in pins pin dot find image, and we want the attribute of source set, and apparently the second element, but for now I just hope to see the list of images. Nope, it's not subscriptable. Okay, so maybe there are more than one image actually. just want to see how many images we have. Is it one? Okay, and we have the source set inside. But okay, is it a selector? It should be the type of beautiful soup selector. Oh, beautiful soup tag. Yeah, this is okay. And just wondering. Okay, we have the source. And what about the source set? Okay, here is the source set. And what's the type? What's the type? Is it a string or a list? It's a string. So in this case we need to split by the comma and say second element. And now copy. Okay, so this 2x, I'm not sure if I should remove that or not. Okay, yeah, as I thought. So let's split by space. Well, we cannot specify anything, and then 0. Okay, so here is the link of a certain image. Let's check this again. Copy. Yeah, okay, so now I need to have a list of this. So find image. I'm just wondering why this is not working in this kind of way, or is it? It's not subscriptable. Well, it's probably because, okay, so okay, probably go this way. So loop over pins. So okay, and image link. And now it should give the error, but when I go, yeah, so if I just now go for try accept, print, yeah, this is nice. So let's try to pick whatever and make sure this is the image that we want. Okay, nice. Okay, so, well, actually don't even need to extract anything, so we can just say extract images from pins, and here extract image link. And now all we need to do, we need to make an HTTP request. So make HTTP request to the image URL. So let's call it response equals to requests.get, and the URL would be the image link like this. And now I want to write, well, before that I just also need to extract the file name. So extract image file name, and file name equals to image link. I'm wondering if all are GPG. Yeah, it seems like all the GPG files. Yeah, this is nice. So in this case, I can simply say image link dot split by GPG, and the first element then split by slash, and the last element and plus GPG. So let's print the file name. We'll need these file names to store every image using the same file name there. Well, on the other hand, I'm just wondering, is there any name for, well, let's run this one. Let's run. Okay, so we did extract the file names. But hold on, guys. I just wonder. Yeah, we also can associate. Yeah, I want this. So is this image out? Okay, this might be interesting. So, what if we just try to use the out here? Is it gonna give me? Okay. Well, it's a bit too long for file names. But on the other hand, so let's try to replace the spaces with underscores. Okay. Well, I'm not sure, is this a description or what? But let's try this. Let's actually go for it. So I think, so let's keep the, let's try this file name. And now we make a request, then write bytes to file. And actually, yeah, first let's break. So just try with one image, with a single image. So I can say with open and file name. I want to write bytes. This is important. Write bytes here. As so we have F here. Let's call it I. Stands for image. So I dot write and response content. Okay, guys, so if I did everything properly, it now should download a single image here. So let's have a look. Okay, we got an image. Well, it's a little bit strange in regards to the file names, but Yeah. Well, okay, so let's try to go for bulk download now. And I'm just really wondering what kind of, well, hold on a sec, just add some additional info. So let's say print downloaded. Let's say downloading and image link. Okay. So we could visually see which files it kind of downloads. Okay, and now here we have the images being downloaded eventually. Okay, so Buddha, is this Buddha? Well, this goddess might be Buddha, but it's not Gautama Buddha. Okay. What about, well, unfortunately I don't know Chinese. Well, but anyway, to when before Guardians of, okay. Well, it seems like the Zhenwu Monkey King. Oh, Monkey King was there. Nice. Yeah, so it's really nice to know the name associated with a certain god. Yeah, I think that the names are pretty fine, and even if it has some extended kind of description in the file name, I don't think that's a big deal really. So I would be just manually picking up those I'm interested in when I already have them locally. So yeah, wondering how many images would it be in total. So is this okay? It's done. Okay, so I'm just wondering how many elements do I have? So Chinese got 131 items, so minus 128 images. Well, not so bad, guys. So we've just downloaded 128 images. Yeah, I don't need all of them, but I can actually be happy with what I currently have. Well, okay, so this is it from my side. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care. And yeah, I just forgot to say that obviously, if stay tuned because new exciting whiteboard animations using these characters are coming soon on Komaki Games channel. Now this is really it, so take care, guys.